Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Confine. Confine means keep or restrict within limits. For example, he does not confine his message to politics. He does not confine his message to politics. Synonyms: enclose, incarcerate, imprison.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Early guideline efforts confine their scope to preconception counseling, pregnancy, and birth. Now, repeat after me. Early guideline efforts confine their scope to preconception counseling, pregnancy, and birth. The second exempli. The furniture in this exhibition is not confined to gallery spaces, however. Now, repeat after me. The furniture in this exhibition is not confined to gallery spaces, however. The third exempli. I propose to confine my comments to matters of general policy within the club. Now, repeat after me. I propose to confine my comments to matters of general policy within the club.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Pneumano-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is the longest word according to the Oxford Modern English. The 45-character long word is a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine ash and sand dust.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.